I'm playing Animal Company again. Because why not? Because I bought them. I don't know, they meant off.
It's hook shot in. What the heck?
Look behind you.
Yo.
What's up?
I just made this mech not long ago.
Oh, I'm stuck. No. No.
Oh gosh.
No, I couldn't get that staff back.
There.
It's my turn.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, man.
You had the chance. I'm patting you my robot arm.
Bro. I lost my staff, and I just stole it from someone.
Oh shoot. So what do you want to do? I'm thinking about heading to the mine soon.
Alright, I go with you.
What?
I go with you.
Let's go.
I can't believe you.
To drill and a hook shot. And
Can't
then my
believe
robo
you.
arms are just
I
gonna be
can't
useless.
believe you trapped me in there and then killed me inside that
What?
thing. I can't believe that.
Can't believe what?
I got stuck in there, and then you pushed that button, and I lost my staff.
Dig 100 chunks of dirt.
Sand.
Wait, I have a better idea instead of using the drill. I gotta look down for me to mine all that.
Oh, I fell.
Dude, where's the exit, bro?
Huh?
Where's the exit?
That direction. Oh, wrong direction. My bad.
Bro.
It switched it.
I
I didn't know they switch it now.
watch this. I can really fly like this. But my walking just sucks.
I
don't want that junk. You can have it.
Oh, it's
Holy.
yo. How in the
You gotta grab it by the bag. I have control of it still. Yeah, you look like the most OP man ever. Wait, I have a good idea. Ah! You do realize that if you keep doing that, you're gonna get yourself red watch, right? I think.
what's a red watch?
Do you not know what red watch is?
No, I don't know what a red watch is.
Let me demonstrate it to you. You know this?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm not gonna actually fire at you, but stand still real quick. It usually gives you red watch. Like, it usually gives you red watch. Anyways, as I was saying... Yo, where you at? Dude!
Yep.
You missed your chance to get big. You missed your chance to get big.
Hey, dude, try. So. Wait, you have control of it, right? You have control of it? Where is it at? Oh. Bro.
Okay. You ready? Okay, so here's what I kind of want to do. I kind of want to go to circus and get. What does this say?
I think the box art is doing parkour over there. Look.
What?
So I pulled out my sword accident, and it hit the box, and it flew in the sky, then it finally fell.
Where did it fall at? Oh, I see it. I'm gonna get it first. Do you see what happened?
No. I'm tiny.
Oh wait, the PvE is on. Uh-oh. This ain't gonna be good. Yo, you want 1v1?
I'm big and you're small.
Actually, you know, I have a better idea.
No.
Follow me. You're going to be small now. Alright, follow me.
Oh, we can fight. Yay. I want to fight.
Not actually fight, but like play the card game.
Oh no, card game.
Pick a card.
Alright, this one.
Alright, there's like... Oh boy. Dude. Reveal the card.
Bro, I didn't even look at it. Yeah, I died.
Wow.
I didn't look at it, I died.
Apparently there's 2 variants of this, but whatever. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I'll take this deck.
Alright, I guess I take this deck.
Alright,
You
reveal
go
the cards
first,
in
because
3,
you won.
2, 1. You go first.
No, you go first. Ah. Now even. We're now even.
So does that mean these? Yeah, figures.
You shouldn't have
I
got
have a
that
better
one.
idea. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No,
yeah.
that means
2 of these cards is death.
2 of them is bad.
Yeah, I choose this card.
Choose this one. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Yo, let's
We
go.
still try to keep going.
Yo, I didn't die yet. Wait, I shouldn't have said that.
I'm
Now I
gonna
might
check
die.
if my chat is here. If I leave the game, then it's my WAP. Wow.
Yo, I'm cooking. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 left. Middle. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm cooking. I'm cooking. Come on.
My gosh, it's gonna make my hair
No.
go crazy. Bro just lost all of his aura at this point.
Yeah. I got. Can you remind me? Hello.
Yo, what's up, King?
Revive me. Wait, which game?
You
There's
can
several
revive
games.
yourself, mister? What, you want revival?
Oh, yeah,
Here.
actually, I can. I can't believe I died and I was cooking. Alright. What the fuck is that? Alright, so I picked 2, so you pick 2. Alright. You pick 1. I picked this one. Alright, now you have to pick 2 on 1 in each deck. Yo, that means that's. Wait, is this a good one? No! I shouldn't dropped it right there. So is this the bad one or the good one? I don't know. No, it's a good one. Darn. I died. That's impossible. No. And just one last card, I think. Back. Timmy. Timmy. There you go, Timmy. Come here, Timmy. Yeah. Oh, there you are. Hello, Timmy. Timmy. Get you, Timmy. Come here, Timmy. Yeah, Timmy. Let him be gone. Got her, Timmy. Huh? Come here, Timmy. Oh. Meow. Rain. You cannot have it. Damn. Oh, we both died. Wait. Timmy, you're grounded for a month. Alright, Timmy. Go bye-bye. I picked 2. You picked 3. You had to pick 3. I'm not done. You have to pick 3. One more 2. Well, now 1. Pick one more. Let's go! I won! Little Timmy! You're grounded for a month. No! Timmy! Timmy! I will get my revenge. I should be at the spawn if he's coming. How dare you took little Timmy! Now I want to fight in stage 5 because you stole little Timmy from me. Stage 5 now. Stage 5 right now. Stage 5. Go to stage 5. Go to stage 5. I wanna fight. No, I died. Now give me my teleporter. Put that down. Bro, where's my teleport go? You gotta be kidding me. I never. No. You just left. And you just came back. And you just teleported. Going up.